Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna show you how to make a pendrive bootable. So guys, watch the video completely till the end for not making any errors or damaging the pendrive as well as your computer. Okay guys, let's start our video. The pendrive is to be formatted completely before starting the bootable process. As you can see, my pendrive has some files and folders, so I want to erase it all. This is the pendrive properties. As you can see, the pendrive is formatted as FAT32. For a pendrive needs to be bootable, we must have to change its format from FAT32 to NTFS. I will come to it later. First I want to show you how the ISO file looks like. All of the Windows installation files are primarily formatted as ISO file. So this is what a ISO file looks like. Before changing the pendrive to bootable, first we want to extract all the files from the ISO file in a folder. So there is a software called ISO which can extract the ISO files without any error. This is a cracked version, so you can use it for your entire lifetime. I am giving you the download link in the description box. Follow the steps correctly which I am gonna show you. Begin the installation as a normal software and customize your settings according to your wish. Select the RAR option in the installation process also. Okay, so the installation is over. Now we want to check the software. So open the software and run it, and it shows to enter the registration code. So copy and paste the registration code from the given text file which is included in the application folder. Before the registration process, be sure that your network is off. Paste the username as well as registration code without any error and click OK. And you can see the registration is successful. You can use it for your entire lifetime. Okay, so let's begin our process. So go towards the ISO file, right click and open it with the Power ISO, and you can extract the files completely. This is what the files inside the ISO file looks like. There are 8 files inside it. So extract it before the next process begins. After extraction, we are ready to make our pendrive bootable. So right click the pendrive and click the format option. As you can see, our pendrive is a FAT32 format. Let's check out the properties of the local disk file. As you can see, it is a NTFS file. So we want to convert our pendrive to NTFS. So right click the pendrive and click format, then change the file system to NTFS and click format, then OK. So before that, please subscribe to my channel, give it a like and click the bell icon. Okay guys, our formatting is complete. As you can see, our pendrive is formatted as NTFS. So now let's start our copying process. I have already done the extraction of Windows 8 ISO folder, so I am gonna copying that files to the pendrive. Open the extracted folder and copy all the files inside the folder and then paste it to the pendrive as shown in the video. The copying process has started. It will take some time to copy all the files correctly into the pendrive. So be patient. So I am going to skip the copying process. Yeah, the copying is completed. and your bootable pendrive is ready for use. So now you can install your Windows 10 OS into the PC by restarting your computer, then changing the bootable settings into pendrive, and then continue. That's all. Thank you.